workout. So today we are going to do 10 minutes follow along workout जिसको आप मेरे साथ कर सकते हो. And today we are going to follow a new routine which is a Tabata workout जिसमें 4 मिनट का non-stop workout है. 8 different exercises होंगी. We will do each movement for 20 seconds and then we will take a break of 10 seconds. So 20 seconds, 10 seconds का break. 8 different exercises for 4 minutes straight. हम इसके 2 सेट करेंगे. So सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे वार्म अप से, then Tabata set 1, then we'll take a break of 1 minute and then we'll do the second set and then we will cool down. So this is going to be the format of today's workout. Are you ready for it? Come on, let's start with the warm up first.
3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, stop. 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 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, stop!
So guys, we are done with the first set of this Tabata workout. I hope you really enjoyed it. You can have a sip of water, you can use your sweat towel if that is required. Now we are left with one more set. Meanwhile, if you have had your water and everything, you can get up again and move your body. So guys, you know कि these exercises are very important, workouts are very important, keeps you fit, it keeps you active. But you know कि जो real fat burning, fat loss, weight loss जो है वो kitchen में होता है. So you need to eat right. So make sure that you are having a proper healthy lifestyle, overall good lifestyle. And for that matter, if you want a proper diet plan, customized diet plan according to your needs with expert consultation, then you can take the advantage of my transformation program I Am Bao, जिसकी सारी details आपको मेरे website gunjanshouts.com पे मिल जाएंगी. So feel free to enroll and take the benefits of it. Let us start with the round 2 now.
3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, stop! 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 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, stop.
Well done, guys. So you have made it to this 10-minute Tabata workout today. And now let's do the cool down movements. I hope you enjoyed today's session. अगर आपको मजा आया तो don't forget to hit the like button. इसके अलावा और भी बहुत सारे workouts हैं इस चैनल पे. You can go to the workout playlist and do those 10 minutes workout with me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such videos on health and fitness, and so that मैं जैसे ही कोई next video upload करूँ उसकी notification आपको मिल जाए. So don't forget to hit the bell button. I will see you in the next video. Till then, hit रहो.